are watching Deccan Digest.
आज हम लोग यहाँ पे है बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल डॉक्टर्स, राइट। तो हम इतना बड़ा पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन को ओवरकम किए ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ आवर डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सिंग स्टाफ, जो भी लैब टेक्नीशियंस, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ है, उनके लिए है, राइट। सो इसलिए उनका जो हर साल एक एफर्ट रहता है उसको सेलिब्रेट करने का हमारा हक बनता है। जो हर साल डे एंड नाइट दिस स्ट्राइव फॉर अस, उसके लिए आज एक दिन हम उनके लिए दिस डे एंटायरली बिलोंग्स टू द डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सिंग स्टाफ, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ। तो दे डिजर्व इट एंड होल हार्टेडली वी आर trying to give this tribute to the doctors. So
नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर शशांक बात कर रहा हूँ विश्व हॉस्पिटल मोहन मार्केट बीदर से। हमारे यहाँ 4 डॉक्टर हैं। डॉक्टर संगीता मैडम गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, डॉक्टर राघवेंद्र वाघवे साइकेट्रिस्ट, डॉक्टर सुनील कल्याणे बोल के हैं वो भी एक फिजिशियन है, एंड डॉक्टर वृषाली। सो अभी जो है हम नए सेंटर पे हॉस्पिटल स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, वो 24/7 मल्टी स्पेशलिटी रहेगा एंड ये शॉर्टली ओपन हो रहा है। हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो है बीपी, शुगर, थायराइड, किडनी पेशेंट, हार्ट पेशेंट के लिए डील करते रहते हैं। एंड ये जो अभी हमने लास्ट जो कोविड हुआ था उसमें भी बहुत सारे पेशेंट को हमने ट्रीट किया है एंड सक्सेसफुली वो बहुत सारे बाहर भी आए चुके हैं। अभी जो हमारा नया मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हो रहा है उसमें स्टाफ का रिक्वायरमेंट वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड वेरी थैंक यू टू द DPMI कॉलेज बीदर, दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग स्टाफ। वो स्टाफ जो हमारे को भेजते हैं हम उनको ट्रेन भी करते हैं, स्किलफुल एक्टिविटी उनसे करा लेते हैं, उससे हमें भी हेल्प हो जाता है एंड जनरल पॉपुलेशन में स्टाफ को करियर के लिए भी हेल्प हो जाता है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Doctors Day. So, every year on 1st July, we celebrate National Doctors Day in the name of Dr. B.C. Roy, who was a very good, renowned physician. He was also former CM of Bengal, and he was the man who behind the Indian Medical Association, and on the name of him, so for in appreciation of the service from the doctors, so government has decided to do a National Doctors Day every year on 1st July. So on this day I congratulate and to all the doctors who have served selflessly, especially during this COVID pandemic. Doctors as well as the nursing staff as well as paramedical staff who have done a wonderful job. They have not bothered about their families, they have not bothered their lives, and they have sacrificed their precious personal life also, and they have served many patients, poor as well as whoever have come to themselves. They have done a good job, and because of their service, selfless service, we have controlled the COVID pandemic second wave. So on this occasion, I brief regarding our institute. Our hospital is Vishwa Multi Speciality Hospital. Here we have many doctors in many specialties. First one is from the Department of Medicine. We have renowned physician Dr. Shashank Kulkarni. He is a diabetologist, cardiologist, physician. And also we have Dr. Sunil Kalyani. He is one more physician who have been recently joined to us, and along with Dr. Praveen, who is our DMO here. So from the Department of Medicine, so we during this COVID pandemic, our doctors have consulted many COVID patients, and under their guidance and consultations, many COVID patients have improved. So many lives have been saved. And another department we have is neuropsychiatry. During this COVID pandemic also, many patients who have developed depression, anxiety because of COVID. Before COVID also, many people have fear because of COVID, and after COVID, many patients developed anxiety, depression because of COVID. So here we have lot of patients being counseled as well as given medicines, and so that they have become COVID free, even through mentally also. And we have another team where we have gynecologist Dr. Sangeeta Halmedge, and we also have many other branches in terms of dialysis facilities, in terms of lab we have 24/7, we have pharmacy 24/7. So we also have started recently home care services, especially during COVID pandemic, who have been bedridden and not able to come to the hospital. We have started home care services. We are also through Vishwa Healthcare, we are doing lot of help service, camps in villages to help the poor patients. And especially with our hospital, We have grown since last 5 to 6 years. With us, our nursing college DPMI, which is they have provided many students, trained nursing students to us, paramedical students to us, and with their help, we have with their students, we have done wonderful job, especially helping COVID patients, and their students have been trained very well, so they are very much perfect, and they can do very good jobs in any other good health institutes also. So I thank personally and also from Vishwa Healthcare to DPMI college and all the staffs. So with this I conclude my talk. Thank you.